What's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is, wait, hold on. Okay, it was lagging a little bit. Maybe, I don't know. But anyway, Illinois' mayor thinks he's above the law. So let's get into it, man.
Sir, police. Open your door. Sir, open your door.
Hey,
sir, police department, open your door. You're in the middle of the highway.
The mayor's on the Kennedy Expressway in downtown Chicago and now causing massive backups after multiple 911 callers reported him parked in a lane on the freeway.
Open the door. How you doing? Do you need an ambulance? Sir, put your car in park for me. Sir, do you need an ambulance? You understand do you know where you are right now?
If that's what you want me to do, yes.
Hey, you're in the middle of the highway sleeping in your car.
Why not? Sleeping.
You were sleeping. Can you turn your car off for me? Okay, do you have where's the key fob at? No, don't turn it on. Keep it off. Look at me. Hey, do you know where you are right now? What's going on?
I'm in the middle.
Take off your seatbelt for me. The fire department's coming, okay? Do you have the ID on you?
Sure.
Can I see it?
He was literally he was passed out. It took us a while to wake him up, but he finally woke up.
All right, do you have any medical problems I should know about?
I do.
Are you sick or injured?
I do.
Do you take any medication for
I do
anything?
not.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
I had an event to celebrate a fundraiser.
Okay.
And I came here.
Maybe you were drinking at the fundraiser.
Sure.
How much have you had to drink?
Not enough to equate to this.
Okay, now step out of your car. You can't be in your car right now. All right, have a seat in my squad car, okay?
Do I need to know why, sorry? Do I need to know why, sorry?
No, we need to get you out of the highway.
No. I'm not trying to be funny. Do I need to call my attorney right now? Like, and I'm not trying to be funny.
No, for your safety and everybody here,
I'm
we need to get you out of the highway. You're in the middle of the highway, we need to get you out of the highway.
Right.
Does that make sense?
So it does.
Okay.
Do I need to contact my attorney? Because I'm not drunk.
For your well-being,
I'm not trying to be some crazy person.
Okay.
I'm literally a mayor of a attorney now. I went to a fundraiser.
We're trying to get everyone here off the highway. We're in the middle of the highway,
Literally crazy.
and we need to get off of it.
I'm not some crazy person.
I'm not saying you're crazy.
Right, and I agree with you with that.
I'm saying that we need to get off the highway.
Why don't we just get you off the highway really quick?
We're just trying to get you out of the highway.
paramedic here.
I
need to get you off this highway.
I would love to do that, sir. What am I accepting, really?
You're accepting to let me take a look at you. What you're accepting.
But I'm not doing anything crazy.
Have you been drinking today?
I had a drink at a fundraising.
Just one drink.
No, I had a drink at a fundraising event.
All right. Well, if we get you off the highway,
So we're not.
if we get you off the highway, 2 minutes, and then we can talk. There's a lot of danger here right now.
Here, come over here. Come over here. We're gonna get you off the highway.
I guess I'm just trying to be like.
Sir, we just want to help you, okay?
No.
But there's cars coming.
But I'm not asking for help.
I know, but we have an obligation because we're on the highway and it's dangerous.
We can't continue this in the highway.
Let us help you. Okay? Look at all these cars are coming. All of us are standing out here. We can get hit at any moment.
We're here for you because we're concerned
I don't
about
think
you.
this is a concern for me.
No, it is.
I don't look at all of any of this. It's a concern for me.
So this is what I want you to do. I want to drive you to this exit, and then we're going to move your car so that the fire department and the state police can clear the highway
I
up.
would love to do that.
Okay, come on, let's go in my car. You're not under arrest.
But no, I'm not going in my car. I'm not.
We have
I'm not
to.
going to get in my car. I don't have to. I'm literally just trying to figure out what the is happening right now.
Okay, so you fell asleep in your car in the middle of the highway. Okay, you've been obstructing traffic for a while now. So in order to make sure that everybody's safe here, I want to put you in my car and drive you to the exit, and then my partner is going to drive your car behind us. We can't stand out here in the middle of the highway.
Tell me what you want to do.
I want you to sit in my squad car.
I'm not getting I'm not getting a trust car. Why? Because I don't trust it.
What don't you trust about it?
You're not even in handcuffs.
You're not even in handcuffs.
You're not even in handcuffs.
It's just a ride.
And I understand.
It's a ride
And
about
I
500.
You're a mayor and you don't trust the police car? So how are the citizens supposed to feel if the mayor doesn't trust the police car? How are normal citizens like you and me supposed to feel? How? This guy is drunk as hell, or high, or whatever he is. But you ain't gonna be the mayor too much longer, I'll tell you that. Your shirt's unbuttoned and all types of stuff isn't. Oh boy.
It's a free Uber. What do you want me to do that doesn't equate me to trusting getting into a car?
That's the only option because we can't let you drive.
That's not the only option. I would walk wherever you want me to walk.
You can't walk on the highway, it's unsafe.
Okay. I'm not getting into that car.
I don't want to have to handcuff.
Everything's we already busy recording, Nathaniel, so you don't trust us. Our body cams are on. You understand that, right?
I understand
4 body cams on.
And I understand
So
that.
nothing bad's gonna happen.
So if you want me to walk over to that,
You can't walk. You can't walk. The only option is what my partner's telling you.
even though you're cameraing me, I don't have an option.
It's for your safety.
We can't let you drive,
that
we
is
cannot
not
let you walk along the highway. You understand that?
That is not for my safety. That is not for my safety.
It literally is for your safety.
Would you feel more comfortable going in our car? Mine and my partner?
I would.
Okay. Do it.
If you want me to do something, tell me what you want me to do.
All right, we're gonna pull our car up here. You're more comfortable going with me and my partner?
If you want me to get
Is
into
that
the
okay?
car,
It's still a squad car. Is that okay?
if that's what you want me to do,
That would be fantastic. Yeah.
Where's your key fob? So that we can move your car.
it's in the car.
Don't let him in the car. Don't let him in the car. We can't let you in the car, man.
I want to grab it for you.
I just want you to tell me where it is.
Come on, man. Like,
I'm not trying to be difficult.
but I'm not trying to be difficult either, right?
We'll find it, okay? Here, just follow this officer.
Here, we'll go.
No, I'm honestly, I want an attorney. I want my attorney.
Sir, it's becoming a whole
very nice
problem.
and very patient.
There's people here that probably need to get home, want to get home from work.
I really
their
want
loved
to
ones.
trust y'all, but
Oh, it's okay. Here, you want to open the door? This is on your terms. Go ahead. You can get in the car. I'll shine the light in there.
why am I opening my car?
What?
Why am I opening this door?
So you can take a seat so then we can take you to the street.
Because
we're
of
blocking
what?
so much
Because of
traffic.
what?
Because we're blocking traffic.
Careful. Watch your step. All right. Good job. There you go. All right.
This is gonna be interesting.
Is he saying he's a mayor? He's either a mayor or he was at a fundraiser for a mayor. Do you know?
All right. We'll meet you at the top of the...
Okay, we're gonna cut this.
After finally being able to transport Nathaniel off the highway, officers continue their investigation.
All right, Nathaniel, you understand you're not under arrest, right? We're just coming here for your safety, okay? You have no medical problems they should know about?
No.
You don't take any medication?
No.
Are you under the
And
care
I wish I felt that this was for my safety.
Are you under the care of a doctor or anything?
No.
Any speech abnormalities, impairments
No.
you're aware of? So nothing wrong with your feet, your legs,
No.
your back, your head? No recent head injuries?
No.
So no, you're a perfectly healthy individual?
Yes.
All right, let me ask you this. Do you have kids?
I have nieces and nephews.
Hey, would you drive a car with your nieces and nephews in it right now?
Yes.
You would?
I would.
So how much did you ever drink?
An informed professional would have to say that.
What does that mean?
I'm not going to do this game. Like, this is ridiculous.
Okay, so I want to make...
So let me say this.
Okay, go ahead.
No, I'm not some crazy person.
I'm not saying you're crazy.
No, I get that. What should I say? This is dumb.
Okay, let me explain why we're here. You fell asleep in your car in the middle of the expressway, in the middle lane. When we showed up, you were still sleeping. When I woke you up, you were very confused. I can smell alcohol in your breath. Did you understand why we might not let you drive your car and why we might drive you over here?
I hear you.
You've admitted you've been drinking.
I hear you.
I want to make sure that you're okay,
I'm perfectly fine.
but I have to make sure of it. I cannot let you drive until I've been 100%.
And I'm not even trying to come for you.
Okay.
I hear what you're trying to say.
Okay. So do you want me to check you out real quick? I just check your eyes. You walk in a line. Do you want me to do that?
I don't find it.
I'm sorry?
I do not define it.
So what I want you to do is put your feet together, your arms down to your side, and you're going to keep your head perfectly still. Do not move your head. And you're going to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. You understand? Okay. can you come over here for me? We're gonna stand on this X right here.
It's far.
Sorry, car.
You want me to walk with you?
You want to walk with you? I will.
So do you see that X? We're just gonna stand right there.
Sure.
Stand on it. Here.
I see it.
Stand on the X. We're gonna start from there, okay? But I need you to stand on there.
Sure.
So stand right here. Okay, walk forward. All right, now face the Walgreens behind you. All right, do you see this yellow line?
Sure.
All right, we're gonna use that yellow line, okay? So what I want you to do is put your left foot on the line right in the middle of it and put your right foot directly in front of your left foot with the toe touching your heel, just like I'm doing.
Because that's going to stop a death in Chicagoland area tonight. Yes.
We're just making sure you're okay, Nathaniel, okay?
No, you're not. You're making sure that people don't die tonight.
You want to try this out?
I have no choice.
You do have a choice, but
No, I don't.
Let's just try it, okay? Okay, so put your left foot on the line. Now put your right foot directly in front of your left foot with the toe touching your heel, just like I'm in.
You want me to do this?
Just like I got my feet, okay? So once you're in the position that I'm in with my feet, I want you to put your arms down at your side and stay like this until I tell you to start. You understand? So when I tell you to start, you're gonna take 9 steps, just like this.
And I'm asking you, why is that
2, 3, I'm sorry?
So if I'm giving you what you want,
okay,
why is that relevant?
These are to test to see if you're
I want an attorney.
You want an attorney?
I literally want an attorney.
Okay, so you don't want to do this?
I think this is crazy because I don't understand the value of this. So I'm asking you for an attorney.
You want an attorney?
If you're asking me to do this, because honestly, I will do this all day long.
Well, you
and I will
been able
give
to do
you
it
this, and I will say this, and I will say this, and I will say obviously this. But that's not enough for you. I don't feel what I'm doing right now is protecting of me. I don't think that this at all, none of this does anything. I don't have to do shit with this.
Do you want to take a breathalyzer?
I want an attorney.
Okay, can you put your hands behind your back for me?
And now you feel, but you
Daniel, put your hands behind your back.
see what this is.
Yes, I'm getting a drunk driver off the streets tonight. All right, you're under arrest for DUI, Nathaniel. Do you understand that?
I understand that I have to hire an attorney now.
Let's walk to my SWAT car. Okay. Have a seat in my car. Watch your head, Nathaniel. You're a little tall.
The suspect's full name is Nathaniel George Booker. Since May 18th, 2021, he has been serving as the mayor of Maywood, Illinois, a village located in the Chicago metropolitan area. In an exclusive statement in Midwest Safety, the mayor responded to the incident saying the release of the video to Midwest Safety is politically motivated since he is running for re-election this fall. Even though he's still serving as mayor in present day, a political divide regarding his reputation is growing amongst the people of Maywood. While some defend Booker, citing improvements in business operations in the village, others have spoken out against his alleged misconduct, leading to investigations into Booker. Allegations of workplace misconduct and overstepping his authority in violation of state statutes are some of the concerns amongst the local government officials, not to mention the arrest for suspicion of DUI, in which he was charged with driving under the influence of alcohol and obstructing traffic, resulting in the suspension of his driver's license. However, despite the serious concerns about Booker, he was still able to mitigate the punishment for his crimes, as he announced that the suspension of his license had been rescinded at a village board meeting on July 19, 2022. He stated that there was a lack of evidence to support a DUI charge. Let us know what you think about the decision to rescind the license suspension in the comments below.
Lack of evidence to suspend a what? Bro was bombed. What are you talking about? What? No, that's not a lack of evidence. That's just him being able to exert his authority. If that was you, if that was me, I'd be paying $10,000 in fines and my license would be revoked for like a year or two or whatever it is. That's crazy to me. Recent lack of evidence. Yeah, right.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.